Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for March 17th, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is St. Patrick's Day. Lucky Tucker by Leslie McGuirk. When Tucker woke up on St. Patrick's Day, he got off on the wrong paw. First, he had to go for a walk in the rain before breakfast. Then his favorite squeaky toy got stuck under the couch. Just when he thought it couldn't get any worse, a black cat hissed at him. My luck needs to change, thought Tucker. What if I roll in this bed of clovers? Maybe their luck will rub off on me. Little did he know that he was being watched by a leprechaun. You just rolled in my bed of 4-leaf clovers, the leprechaun said. Now you'll be the luckiest dog around. And off he ran. Tucker chased after the leprechaun, but he got sidetracked when he saw a boy licking an ice cream cone. The top scoop was about to fall off. Tucker made the catch. Wow, what a lucky dog, the boy said. By now the leprechaun had disappeared, so Tucker decided to go to the dog park. Today was his lucky day. He got to play and wrestle with all his best friends. On his way home, Tucker passed by the bakery that sold homemade dog biscuits. Aren't you a lucky dog, Tucker? Said the baker. I've got peanut butter shamrock, a chicken-flavored pot of gold, and a cheese-flavored horseshoe just for you. When Tucker arrived home, the mailman was delivering a big box. You are the luckiest dog I know, said the mailman, because this box is for you. Tucker opened the box and jumped inside. His owner said, Lucky Tucker, you were supposed to have a bath tonight, but let's play with your new toys instead. Finally, it was time for Tucker to go to bed. It was his luckiest day ever. He was already dreaming about next St. Patrick's Day. The end. We're going to make a rainbow chain with a pot of gold on the end. Your Craft to Go kit is from Oriental Trading. It's got these papers that have little stickies on the end, and we'll arrange those by rainbow color, so red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue or indigo, and purple. And we want the purple on the bottom. It's also got instructions. So we'll use those. It has a pot. It's got gold on a sticky. It's got 2 little shamrocks. I think they're 4-leaf clovers. They're definitely shamrocks. Oh, sorry, 4 little shamrocks. 2 light and 2 dark. And we've got, looks like 4 gold sequins that need to be glued on. Or no, 5. There's 5 of them. 5 gold sequins. And then all we'll need is some glue, and I have some foam glue. Now, the first thing we're going to do is take the adhesive back and adhere the ends of the purple paper to the yellow foam piece. And then stick the foam piece onto the black pot. So I'm taking off the adhesive backing on the gold, taking off the foam piece, sticking it on there, and then, oops, not like that. Slowly take that back off. Now stick this onto the gold. And I did it upside down. Let's do that over again. And we stick that onto the gold. So that's that. It's hanging there. That's the hardest part of this whole thing. Then we're just gonna loop the chains through, peeling off the backs and sticking them together. So that's indigo, got blue, and to save some time on the video, I'm just going to go ahead and finish putting these on, and we'll come back because you don't need to watch me put each and every one of them on, and the adhesive is a little stripped, is hard to get off, so it's taking a little bit of extra time, but you see how it goes. It'll just keep building. Okay, I've gotten the chain all done. So there it is, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. The next thing I'm gonna do is affix the shamrocks to the pot. And I'm going to put a dark one and a light one on each line. Just to mix it up a bit. That's how the instructions have it. And I'm going to follow that. So we got the shamrocks on. That was easy peasy. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to glue the 5 gold sequins to the gold pot. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of the sequin. Stick it on the pot, on the gold. They're hard to pick up. It's nice if you have a little bit of a nail there. I really don't. That's 3. And if you have your own sequins, you can put as many as you want on there, but it comes with 5. 4. And the last one on the end there. And that's all there is to it. You made your rainbow chain pot of gold. And look at that. I didn't peel the whole shamrock off. There we go. Now it's sticking. And that's all there is to it.